Hi everyone, I just received my new car dash camera and I'm really excited to open up the box, give it a try, and tell you all about it. So this is a front and rear dash cam. It has a forward-facing 4K Ultra HD camera and the rear camera has 2K HD. So it's going to give you a very clear picture. It also has 6 glass lenses, and those glass lenses are what's going to really make sure that everything that's recorded is very clear and you can see everything really nicely. So it also has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. It has loop recording and a G sensor. So what the G sensor is that means like if you're in an accident or anything bumps your car, it's going to automatically turn on and record whatever is happening. So if you have your car in park or in a parking lot overnight and it gets hit, then the camera will go on and record the accident for you. And it also will never overwrite anything if the G sensor is turned on. That video will be locked on your SD card and you can access it anytime. So here is the first thing in the box, and it looks like this is the GPS. It says right there, our GPS. So that's gonna make sure that you're tracking your ride and that you're seeing wherever you go. This looks like the rear camera inside here. So this is just gonna go in the back and record everything that's going on behind your car as you're driving. Here is the USB cord, really long cord here, so that's going to be able to fit into any car. You'll easily be able to set that up. And here are some clips, and these clips are used to kind of hang up the wire for the cords and make sure that nothing is dangling down, especially with that rear camera. This is the cord for the rear camera. It's gonna plug right in, and see how long it is. Also, it's a really nice feature because this can go all the way around the side of your car and not be dangling or in the way or anything. Here is the suction cup to mount the camera to your dashboard. Really easy. You just kind of connect it right here to your dash cam and secure it on. And this is a tool just to help you hang up those wires and really tuck them in tight so that nothing is in the way as you're driving or distracting you. At the bottom, we find the user manual, and this is just going to give you all of the information you need about how to set up the camera, how to use it. It tells a little bit about what we just took out of the package, how the camera functions, so you can see that 2-inch really big screen. So even though the camera is nice and small and discreet and won't be distracting as you're driving, it's not going to be in the way on your dashboard, it does have a big 2-inch screen, so you can really see what is being recorded. Here is what I was talking about how you're going to run the cord around instead of just hanging it straight down from your dashboard. It can go right into the cigarette lighter. You can run it all the way around to the passenger side, to the driver's side, whichever side you'd like. Here's a little bit about what the lights mean when they're on, and some nice color pictures about how to set up the outside rear camera. So that is going to just kind of go by your license plate, and you can run the cord really easily using all of this information. Here's a little bit about the screen functions and a little bit more. Again, this is nice. Color manual is going to tell you everything. This is going to talk about the app. So this camera does have an app, which is very convenient. You can download or upload any kind of videos that you take. You can use everything right from your phone. It works with Apple and with Android phones. So there's the QR code right there. You can easily download your app. It'll find your camera and start recording for you right away. Just a little bit about the information, the GPS, and how it will track your trip. So you don't even need to have Wi-Fi in your car. Everything is built in, ready to go. This uses up to a 256 gigabyte SD card, so that it can really store tons of videos on your card, and you don't have to be switching cards or anything as you're driving, especially if you're a commercial driver. That's a really good feature. So here is the camera. As you can see, it's really nice and compact, super small. It does have this lens cover, so it came really perfectly packaged. The buttons are all on the bottom there. Here's the big 2-inch screen. So since the buttons are on the bottom, it makes this screen be really nice and large so that you can see the clear picture. Here is going to be where you connect the suction cup. There is the charger. You can also use the USB. Different kinds of chargers. One is actually going to, this is going to connect with the rear cam, and the other with the charger for the cigarette lighter. So as you can see, it's a really nice, compact, small camera. You have everything you need in that box. I'm going to go ahead and set it up in my car, give it a try. And one more feature, there's the microphone, so you can record any sound that's going on inside the car or outside, and the power on off button. And yeah, looks like it's nice and easy to use, so let's give it a try. So as you can see, I have the dash cam set up. It's really discreet. You can see that it has both the front and the back picture right there. So this is the rear facing and this is the back. It was very easy to set up. There's the two cords. Right now I just have the cords kind of running down. I'm gonna get them set up a little bit more securely, but I have it running down to the cigarette lighter. And I love that it also gives you this USB, so you have an extra place to plug anything in, so you're not really wasting a power cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and start driving and give it a try. Okay, so here is the front view recording. As you can see in the bottom, you can see the timestamp, the date. It also shows how fast you're going for the miles per hour, so that's another useful piece of information. So all of this was recorded on an SD card. You can also use the app to record everything and easily upload or download your videos, or you can just use an SD card, which seemed to work really well. So the picture is very clear, nice wide view, really wide angles. You can see the speed going up in the bottom, and the camera was really easy to install, and I would definitely recommend this. So I hope you guys found this helpful and give the camera a try. It's definitely a useful tool to have in your car for commercial driving or anything. Thanks.